You sit in a Defender though. I used to own one. I had one for over 8 years. I had the V8 motor in it. There is something about it that gives you a sense of confidence, a sense of it's a very, very capable vehicle. But more than that, once you've driven and fallen in love with a Defender, it's one of those things that kind of sticks with you. I'm loving this. Just the memories, bringing back memories of driving Defenders in the dunes of Southern Cape. I remember driving my Defender and having so much fun in the dunes, even though it was actually quite underpowered. Even though it had a V8, it did not have a lot of power. You had to drive it. Unlike a modern four-wheel drive, automatic gearboxes, modern automatic traction systems, there's no stability control on this vehicle. I don't have to accidentally forget to turn the stability control off when I'm on a dune. Get in it, decide what gear is best, and drive it.
I'm Andrew St Pierre White, explorer, overlander and broadcaster with over 40 years driving 4x4s. Welcome to 4X Overland.
I'm a prisoner of this hill.
You get so much feedback from the vehicle that it's wonderful. Love driving. Here I am looking at enjoying the scenery in the Defender. Oh, there it is. Now imagine this, you come to Dubai and you take a rental car because you're driving in and out of the city and going to the malls and going to all of the lovely things that you can do in Dubai. But you also like the idea of camping in the desert. But you don't want to rent a four-wheel drive or get all the camping gear. So, what do? Well, here is a solution for you folk that would just want the experience of camping in the desert, but you don't want the hassle.
That looks so cute. It looks gorgeous, hey? Just nestled in the mountains. I think the whole concept of this is just amazing. That you can arrive somewhere in the desert from Europe or from Africa. You're in transit, you're flying through and you decide, you know, we're going to take a break in Dubai for a couple of days. Oh, let's go and camp in the desert. Yeah, well, how the hell do we do that? Solution. And it's got everything you want. It is so cute. It's so out of Africa in Dubai, if one can say that. And then apparently there's one which I'd give anything to go to, in the desert with the Bedouin tent and the carpets and just swoon me now, Lawrence of Arabia.
So you like it?
I do. I think it's wonderful.
Good. Happy Valentine's.
Oh, you're so sweet. You're not Lawrence of Arabia, but you're sweet. Or Dennis Finchatti.
And the shade thing, well, the idea is you only arrive here at 4 and you leave at 10 and you do have shade, and there it is there. Or in the morning it's there. So you don't need shade. Like it?
I love it. I think it's amazing.
Fantastic.
We have been told we have a choice of accommodation tonight. The little camper trailer set up for us in the Wadi, or in the back of another vehicle that we hear is on its way now. We are the guests of Sean and Andronette Mayer, and we've been spending the last week with them driving dusty roads.
What are we doing tonight?
Lovely chicken curry.
Oh, that's a favourite.
Yeah. Just thought some nice warm food for a cold evening. And with the setting, I know it should actually be a barbecue, but nice easy setup.
We've had barbecues all.
We
This
have
is
actually,
a nice
you're right.
change.
So
Nice
it's
change.
Yeah, as long as you're happy, then I'm happy. So I'll try my best on this one. And I believe you do like curry, so I'm going to try and do like a chicken curry. Yeah?
Nice.
Like a Durban chicken curry.
The best curry.
So yeah.
This looks really, really interesting. This is really well thought out, actually. I've got a work bench, place to have a feed. This is the bed that unfolds. Something like this. I won't do it now, but I can stand up in here, get dressed in here. It's compared to my troop carrier, this is bigger. It's bigger than my troop carrier. It is not as well equipped, but I'm thinking that because of the height here, this is a really workable. It's just got my brain thinking about what they've done in here. It's really interesting and really quite simple. And again, it's a demonstration that if you have this full volume, 2 seats, and then full volume all the way to the back of the car, there's 10 times more space in here than you would have with a ute with a canopy at the back, or because it's a van. It's actually a van. You've turned it into a van.
I love this. I think it's amazing. I wish we could do something like this with the troop carrier. I've got to persuade Andrew to gut the inside of the troop carrier. He's always looking for another build. So get him and Rob to gut the inside of the troop carrier. If he does it, you'll know that I'm hyper persuasive. The jury's out. We'll see. So I was really torn about where we should sleep tonight, because I was, as you know, I mean, you watched the video, you saw how excited I was about the little setup there, the little tent setup, and then this beauty arrived and my heart just went, and it was then a toss-up of where we're going to sleep, and I'm afraid this one. So Sean and Adrianette are having the romantic tent, and we are having the old Land Rover. I tell you what, I'll open it up and climb in, and then look at you. It's nice, isn't it? It's really nice.
Spacious, isn't it?
Spacious, and you've got this stunning view. So I don't know what the rest of you are doing for the rest of the day, but I found my spot. Mangling this poor loaf of bread. What did it ever do to you?
It was beautiful before, you know. Where they make the feta. Yeah, the feta with the goats there.
It's just so cute.
We're going shopping.
Little bottles for making biryani. Natural extract of cardamom, clove, cassia, ginger. My eyes are really struggling. Garlic.
Oh dear.
I've got 2 bottles of biryani spice. Ta-da! And I've got a gorgeous kettle. What is not to love in that kettle? And these are dates in cookies. And what boring thing did you get?
Connectors that will allow me to connect
this kind of gas bottle, which is the most common, to pieces of equipment that normally use this kind of gas bottle. In addition to that, a connector that allow me to use that on my Coleman that normally takes the larger green Coleman tanks. And a collection, one for Africa and one for Australia.
This I've never seen before. Hydroponically grown lettuce in store. I mean, that just doesn't get fresher than that. That's amazing. And of course, the mint. You can't have Middle Eastern food without mint. I'm not sure what this is actually. Have a look to see. No idea what that is. This is for garam masala, for curry making. Just absolutely, you've got your 5 spices. Just absolutely looks amazing. Arabic spices, look at that. Doesn't it just look... These are spices from Saudi Arabia. I couldn't even tell you what most of those are. I can see the Chinese 5 spices, but that looks like lichen. Absolutely amazing. Love to eat food made with these. That colour, that beautiful turmeric. Oh, and hibiscus. Hibiscus, dried hibiscus. Rosebuds. Oh, isn't that just... I don't know what this is. I have no idea. But it looks so amazing. Oh, look at this. Cardamom Nights tea. Just looks so stunning. I'd love to try all of this. Chamomile. Let's get a... the smell as I open this sage. Whoa. And the chamomile. Just so exciting. Look at the size of these sunflower seeds. Those are unsalted, smoked, salted. The nuts, you could just go crazy. I could. If we lived here, I'd bankrupt us on all this stuff. Full of life. These are veggies. I'm not sure if they're freeze-dried. They look like they could be freeze-dried, but carrots, beets, beans, marrow, there's onion, there's broccoli. I'm tasting some raw Madagascar lychee honey. Thank you. Obviously, you can't come to Dubai without seeing the dates, and those come from Jordan. Don't know where KSA. I don't know where that is. Is that Saudi? Probably on the other side. They come from Iran. They come from all over the place. Delicious. Eggplants of every shape and color and size. Eggplant is, of course, extremely popular in Middle Eastern food. It's elephant ear, alocasia, that we grow in our houses. They eat them. Cook them and eat them. Amazing, hey?